What's the meaning of armistice? Armistice. Armistice.
Armistice. Armistice. Armistice refers to a temporary cessation of hostilities between two or more countries during a war. It is a formal agreement between warring parties to stop fighting while they negotiate peace. The Armistice of 1918 ended the fighting in World War I and resulted in Germany's surrender, effectively ending the war. In broader terms, an armistice signifies a turning point in a conflict and provides an opportunity for negotiation and resolution of the underlying issues that led to the conflict.